Greetings, my foolish fellow mortals, and welcome to The Scare Factor. I am Vince with Georgia's team Skulleton Crew, and tonight we are at Scavenged Souls, which is a home haunt here in Woodstock, Georgia. They've been excited to have us out. From the video clips that we've seen, it seems like they're really innovative, and we can't wait to go through. So with no further ado, let's go get some scares.
All right, guys, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Onward.
Carnival.
Look at that.
Oh, 4 decisions, huh?
Nice.
Ah, nice.
Welcome to the circus.
A little laser work action. Clown carnival.
Oh, look at this guy. Wow.
Stay right. Oh, fantastic.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, which one's real, right?
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
Well done.
nice.
Oh, clown on the floor.
Oh, my God.
Oh, clown down.
Awesome.
It's an obstacle course here. Oh, yet again.
Wow. Double.
No, you need
Oh,
it.
wow,
stuff.
look at her.
Yeah.
She's great.
Good stuff.
Look at her face.
I don't know what we're going through here.
Uh-oh. And she can jump down. Wow.
Narrow. Okay.
There's pride inside.
Oh, wow.
Crazy clown. Smile.
A little fluorescent room. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. Oh, wait. Bad and worse. There you go. Let's go for worse.
He's going to try for worse.
Okay.
Now we got to go back and see what bad was.
Yeah, I get it. Wow.
Oh, God. Bye.
Lots of details. Lots of details.
All the little ice cream pops and stuff.
You have to choose the worst store.
Dude, got something going on with the eye right
That's
there.
amazing.
Let's go that way, or are we going this way?
I think that's it. Yeah.
Oh, nope. We gotta go.
Okay.
Let's try again.
Ah, he's behind you now. Doors.
Oh, God.
Yikes.
Oh, God. Oh, cool.
Awesome lighting.
Very nice.
Very well done. Very well done. Very well done.
Oh, God.
We got a little arrow.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. All right, J-Star. This is good.
Oh, wow. Black and white clown. Amazing.
I like them.
Wow.
Skeleclown. Yep.
Wow, they're even up here.
Tie Hall of Clowns.
Holy mackerel.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah.
Nope.
Scritching through the walls.
I don't know where I'm going, guys.
Just keep going.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, we got a friend in here. Oh, wow.
What does this
Yeah,
say?
wait. Oh.
Drop panel.
She got you so good.
She got him.
Right? Oh, yeah.
You got,
don't
it's
know.
a maze. You got to find your way.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
so
Do I
glad
dare
I'm
go with the
first.
guys?
I know.
So good.
Hey, everybody, let's split up.
No. That never works.
You and Shaggy go that way.
Right?
Oh, hold on, J-Star. You may be onto something.
Wow, this. Okay. I think we go back this way.
Yeah. I think that's the way we came in.
No. We came in that way where she is. I know.
Yeah. She's
There's a-
laughing at us.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
nope. To the left.
All right.
It's like Beyonce. To the left. Left immediately. You
you're
be
in.
here.
All right.
Jeez.
Except I just have, you know, are you ready for this? It's ready.
Yeah,
Are you ready for this?
Great.
Our sacrificial lamb.
I'm working on it.
Oh! Body bag. All right, we have successfully survived a visit through Scavenged Souls. Gotta say, there are some maniacal clowns to try to avoid and some really creative props along the way. It's definitely worth checking out. Scavenged Souls only charges you a can of food because they donate to a couple of local food banks around the area. So if you are in Woodstock on a nice October night, come and check out the scares at Scavenged Souls.